Bengaluru, India's renowned Silicon Valley famed for its moderate climate, finds itself in the grips of the unprecedented heat wave as the 2024 Lok Sabha elections loom. Normally boasting temperatures between comfortable 27 to 35 degrees Celsius during summer, the city is now experiencing soaring temperatures not seen in nearly a decade. With the elections fervor gripping the nation, political campaigns are in full swing. The upcoming elections in Karnataka, comprising 28 constituencies, are set to unfold in two phases on April 26 and May 7. As parties gear up for the high-stakes battle, the scorching heat poses an additional challenge. Over the past week, temperatures have soared from 32 to 34 to a sweltering 36 to 38 degrees Celsius in some districts, raising concerns among campaign managers. The oppressive heat not only hampers candidate movement but also squeezes campaigning time. In a city accustomed to pleasant weather, political parties are now recalibrating their strategies to cope with the heat. BJP MP candidate PC Mohan has adapted by adhering to a light diet and focusing on door-to-door campaigns to stay hydrated amid the challenging conditions.
See, heat is there, physical heat is there. But the way people are welcoming and encouraging, the Karyakartas and myself, we are forgetting that. We always eat very light and no oily food in the election campaign. We drink a lot of water. They welcome us, they make us sit, they give us buttermilk, they give us water.
Meanwhile, Congress MP candidate Mansoor Khan has opted to schedule rallies and road shows during cooler times of the day, prioritizing the health and well-being of both himself and his campaign workers.
We are trying to avoid rallies when it's really hot between the 12 to 4 p.m. But at times we may not be able to, we will have to, so if the campaigns are going indoor. We may be the candidates, but it's the workers which make the whole campaign possible. So it is extremely important that we keep their health in mind and their welfare in mind as well.
The recent spike in temperatures, with Bengaluru already recording 38 degrees Celsius and possibly touching 40 degrees for the first time in its history, adds a new dimension to the city's challenges. Coupled with existing water woes, the heat wave poses significant hurdles for both citizens and politicians alike. As officials predict a potential respite with summer showers next week, politicians are gearing up to intensify their campaigns with renewed vigor. Despite the sizzling heat, the political landscape remains ablaze with activity as parties strive to navigate the challenges posed by the unprecedented weather conditions.